Hello, I just wanted to show y'all my new butterfly bush. It's not just any butterfly bush, not your normal butterfly bush. It makes beautiful little blooms that look just like butterflies. I'll post some pictures of it so you can see. Isn't she pretty? She's very healthy. I got her off of Etsy. So I'm going to see how she does over a little bit of time. I'm going to baby her and put her in a really sunny spot. Not too sunny to start with, but a sunny spot. And just a little tiny bit of fertilizer. And we'll see how she does. Again, this is the blue butterfly bush. Not your regular butterfly bush, but a butterfly bush. The technical name for it is blue butterfly bush, aka blue wings, clerodendrum ugandense, ugandense, clerodendrum, blue butterfly bush, aka blue wings. She's gonna be pretty, y'all.